Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry chia seed jam. So right here I have 4 cups of frozen strawberries. You can use fresh if you have them. We're just going to boil them anyway. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And I'm going to add maybe about a teaspoon of stevia glycerite. So first things first, we're going to put these into our saucepan and get these cooking on the stove. So I got the pan on medium-high heat. Go ahead and add your lemon juice. And we'll just continue to cook these down until they get all nice and melted. And then once they have melted and gotten all nice and soft, we can mash them with a potato masher. That might take about 10 minutes or so. After your strawberries have reached this soupy consistency, go ahead and turn the heat down a little bit to medium. And now we can squish them with our potato masher. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the heat off now. That's nice and smooth. Go ahead and add in our stevia now. And now let's throw in our chia seeds. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes and then I'll transfer it over to a jar. Okay, so when you have your jam in your jars, go ahead and refrigerate them for about 30 minutes to an hour and it should be ready. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. I can't monetize my videos until I get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're enjoying this content, please subscribe. It would help me out so much and I'd really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys next time.